achieves high speed and high precision cutting of various shaped steels, including H-bars. Because it allows mounting both carbide saws and high-speed steel saw blades, it can cut even thin-walled pipes cleanly and quietly. One CHL2515A unit can serve various cutting needs and assures higher productivity. The gauging stopper automatically detects the leading edge of a workpiece with a photoelectric switch. It assures stable positioning during multiple bar cutting as well. The CHL2515A can cut not only SS and SM materials, but also various others, including aluminum and stainless steel. Cut scraps are discharged into the scrap box. Each cut product is pushed out by the product of the next process. Semi-dry cutting is friendly to the environment without seriously wetting workpieces. Lightly touch the panel surface to input data for each item. It can flexibly answer diverse cutting needs, because up to 6 types can be selected for cutting length and quantity. Users can handle the CHL2515A without specialized knowledge or skill. Remnant materials resulting from yield. The simplified cutting function utilizes remnant materials speedily and efficiently, simply by entering the product length on the touch panel and setting it on the cutting section.